welcome back to my channel. It's Cinnamon Shea. Today is shampoo day with the RawSugar products. First up is rinse. Alright, so I'm in the shower now. Gotta rinse all this thick hair, get all this debris out from those braids, as you can see. My hair is thick, so I generally have to stay under the water for at least about a minute or so to make sure all the water gets through my hair. I'm gonna make sure you fold those ears down, don't want to get any water in the ears. But for those of you that may not have as thick as hair as mine, you just want to be mindful to make sure that if you just took out your box braids or whatever cornrows that you have, that you thoroughly rinse it, because you want to make sure and get out any like old debris or lint, whatever the case may be in the hair. You'll know when it's fully rinsed because the water will go through your hair very easily. For me, I've got to like move my hair around, make sure it gets all in there, give it a little light scrubby scrub. Yeah, move all of that out. Oh, water got in my eye. Am I gonna be able to see? Okay. So yeah, it's all done now. Next up, shampoo time. All right, so I always use this brand, RawSugar. It's the truly unruly brand, good for helping to fight frizzy hair or thick hair. And if you have lots of curls, it also helps with that too. This shampoo is avocado, apple cider vinegar, and rosemary oil. They have other scents, but this is my favorite because apple cider vinegar is very good for the scalp as well as the hair. Also, this product has no sulfates, no parabens or silicones, and it's cruelty free, so no animals were harmed. Next up is reapplying the shampoo. 2 shampoos, 2. Yes, you always want to shampoo your hair twice. The first shampoo is to get out the dirt and debris. Second shampoo is you want to make sure that the hair is clean. This RawSugar, apple cider vinegar, and rosemary shampoo is my favorite. As you can see, it lathers really good. You don't need a lot. I just like to use a little extra because my hair is on the thicker side. So just get all in there, get it again, and then rinse it out. Once you rinse it out, make sure there's none left on the sides of your head, anything like that. Oh, see, looks like I got a little assistance there, letting me know. I didn't have a mirror while I was shampooing, so thanks for the extra hand. Next up, conditioning. Now that the shampoo is all rinsed out, we want to use the conditioner, again by RawSugar. Also purchased at my local Target. Same scent, avocado, apple cider vinegar, and rosemary oil. Go ahead and put a little bit in. Again, my hair is on the thicker side, so I use a little bit more than a quarter, probably a little bit more than a dollar coin. But you just want to make sure and spread it all over the hair. Really make sure you get the conditioner on your scalp as well as your hair. This conditioner, it takes hydration to a new level. It has a pure blend of cold press ingredients, and it turns frizzy hair into be so smooth and stunning. And when I say smooth and stunning, like they're legit talking the real deal here. My hair feels so soft from the moment I put this conditioner on my hair. My curls just curl up. My hair gets so soft. There's no parabens or silicones or sulfates in this conditioner. Yeah, I was jamming here. Probably has some, you got it girl, you got it girl. Probably listening to Chris Brown. I love to listen to music while I'm showering and shampooing my hair. But back to the conditioner. This is also cruelty-free, meaning no animals were harmed during the making of this product, which makes me feel good about putting it on my hair. So soft. Love it. I love this conditioner. So if you have a Target in your area, you can check them out. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that, just sharing with you what products I like to use on my hair. Make sure you rinse it all out. Tuck those ears down, can't get any water in the ears. Even when you rinse the water off, your hair still feels soft. Fifth and final stage, hair mask. All right, all done. But we're not done. We're not done yet. Nope, not done. Now, the hair mask is not used every time you shampoo, but it's always good. I usually do them on my hair at least once a month or every month and a half. This hair mask that I'm using is by RawSugar. Again, avocado, banana oil, coconut milk, and agave. This mask has healing powers. It literally says that on the container. If you could smell this mask, oh my God, it smells so good. I can smell it already. Let me just take. Yes, this mask smells so good. This mask here is good for strengthening and hydrating your hair. It also provides a shine, and it makes your hair look visibly healthier. I'm gonna put some more on here. It just smells too good. I just can't take it. So I usually apply it on there twice. When it says that it gives your hair a healthier shine, they do not lie. Once you put this hair mask on, you have to leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on which hair mask you're using. You can just go off of the instructions of that. After removing the cap from your hair, the mask will visibly leave your hair shiny and looking real regal. So at the end of my video, I usually like to leave time for a couple of questions. So go ahead, leave your questions in the comments below, or you can go to my Instagram and leave me some questions there. Again, it's your girl Cinnamon Shea. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos with the world. Until next time, wishing you all peace, love, and light.